What's a will? A will is a general document. It's a directive that basically tells literally it's a last will and testament, not to be confused with the living will. It shows the decedent's literally last will of how they want to distribute their assets, which means which means they have a specific order of things and who gets what and what share, which is very, very important. Without it, you have the alternative, which is called the rules of intestacy, and that is prescribed by law. And your assets upon your death may end up with someone by law that you wouldn't otherwise want want them to end up, or some people may be less happy than others to receive a lesser share or something they weren't expecting. So there's bound to be infighting, literally family members, close family members fighting over your casket at your funeral. If that's a pretty vivid visual, but I've seen this happen. So you always, and the will doesn't really own anything. The will is a directive, and it says anything I own at the time of my death will be distributed this way. Literally, the will says my estate will be divided in such and such shares. You want to obviously, a will serves many other different purposes also, because if your beneficiaries are minors, you need to make special provisions that you will not be able to make anywhere else. If your beneficiaries are persons with special needs, again, it's something to the will by appointment of guardian or making a testamentary trust, and making sure that the beneficiary doesn't get their share outright and thus jeopardizes their public benefits. So a will is a great vehicle to make your wishes known and for you to account for your beneficiary, considering where they are in life and what their needs are.